Hello, beautiful people. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Be Your Best with JK. So, today's video is a requested video from all of my friends from a long time, and it's a pending video from past 2 months. I know, it's really late, but it was due to my examination and all the pretty stuff. So, without any delay, let's get into the video. Those shiny whitey flakes that you often brush off your collar and shoulders are probably because of the skin condition called dandruff. It looks harmless, but dandruff causes itch and embarrassment. It's a very common condition that is responsible for the constant flaking of the scalp skin. Skin cells on the scalp constantly renew themselves just like any other part of the body, so when new skin cells appear on the scalp, the old ones are pushed to the surface and comes away from the scalp. This process is known as flaking, but in the case of people suffering from the condition called dandruff, the skin renewal process is accelerated, which means that more dead skin is shed. Hence, the white flakes are more noticeable. Dandruff is not really related to your hair or how you wash your hair, but it is all about your scalp skin and how you treat it to get rid of dandruff. Dandruff may have several causes and differ from person to person. While the most common causes are irritated and oily skin, not maintaining clean hygiene and not shampooing enough, a reaction to our immune system, hormonal issues, sensitivity to the hair care products, and various other skin conditions. So these were the basics about the dandruff and its causes. Now I'm going to share my do's and don'ts, which I called actually take care tips, and then my simple home remedies which I follow to get rid of dandruff in any season and all that. So let's move to the take cares. So first one is chemical and hair care products used on the scalp. Most of the products which we use on our scalp are shampoo, hair oil and mask. So these are the basics, and if they contain SLS and any harmful chemicals, please switch them as they can worsen your situation. Also, strong chemicals and damaging chemicals are not good. Although there are some products in the market which contains good chemicals, must check them and do buy them. Keeping it dry for a long time. If you keep your scalp dry for a long time, it also tend to flake much and create dandruff in a long way. So don't keep your scalp dry for a long time. Cover your head from the outer heat and dust. If you go outside without covering your scalp or hair, it will accumulate the dust in it and it will definitely be dirty in a short span of time. So you need to wash it again and again, and it will definitely give it dry. Or if you don't wash it regularly, it will definitely accumulate the dust, which is unhygienic. So both are the basic factors of dandruff. Please avoid it. Apply hair mask at least once in a week. Hair masks not only provide nourishment to your scalp or hair, but it also exfoliates, like the hair mask or natural hair mask which you massage on your scalp. They actually exfoliates your skin from the outer surface, which actually keeps away the flakes or dandruff away from your scalp. So must add in your hair care. Once in a week, apply a mask. Next is must oil your hair regularly before washing your hair. If you keep your scalp nourished, it will do its circle and circulation work properly. Also, the blood circulation will improve. So, don't forget to keep it nourished. Next, I'm going to share the treatments which I follow. The first one treatment is my really favorite, and it's really simple without any difficult efforts you'd have to put. So the first one is mix olive oil with tea tree oil. So I take little bit of olive oil which I need to apply on my scalp on basically, and the leftover on my hair shafts or length. So basically I took the olive oil and mix it with the tea tree oil some drops, and then mix it properly, apply it on my scalp, leave it overnight and wash it off in the next morning. Also, don't forget to cover your head with the shower cap before sleeping, as your pillows will be covered in the oil in the morning. Next, it curd with the neem powder. If you believe in home remedies and if you don't want to spend lots of money on products or different oils, essential oils, switch this remedy. Simply take 1 cup of curd and mix 3 to 4 tablespoons or 2 to 4 tablespoons of neem powder in it, basically in this consistency. And then in addition, I actually apply whenever I apply mask, I actually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of any oil. Basically, I've added olive oil in this, and then you're good to go. Mix it and apply it on your scalp, your hair length. Cover it with a shower cap for 30 minutes to 60 minutes, and then wash it off. Good to go. Third one is overnight heavy treatment of oil and massage. So heavy massage and oiling regularly keeps your scalp healthy and improves blood circulation, which promotes hair health and growth. So basically, when your hair health is good, you will definitely not face any kind of problem in most of the cases. So oiling is really important, don't forget to do it. And this was the simple remedies and all about the basics of dandruffs and all that. So I hope you loved it. If you loved it, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your near and dear ones, comment down your reviews, and subscribe to my channel for the further videos. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, the handle is in front of you. Follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to take the further updates for the latest videos. Bye bye, take care. I'll be sharing the next and very soon really beautiful tips for all of you. Take care, God bless you all.